Welcome to BitsBytes, and today we discuss about the enumerations or enum. There is a one keyword in C language is known as a enum or enumeration. It is one of the another user defined data type in C language. It is mainly used to assign name to constant integral constant. The name makes a program easy to read and maintain. Like we are employees, so we have two states, working or not working. Okay, so working is labeled as 1 and not working is labeled as 0. So how can we create this? So enum keyword is used for creating an enum, and basically employee have two states, working act as an 1 and not working as an 0. Okay. Int main, if I'm printing the working, I'm working, so it's print instead of working, it's print 1. The value of working is 1. You can able to see that. I forgot to add hash include, so compiler by default adding the hash include header file, but it shows the warning. No, I forgot to close the enumeration. In C language everything is terminated mostly. See this, it's print 1 instead of, not able to see, so I just show you something. See, it's print 1 because the working, what I am saying previously, it is the integral constant, that means they are constants. Now after defining the values, I can't change the values, I am not assigning the value. Let's see what's happening if I am giving the value. See, error, L value required as a left operand of assign. So this is the error, long value required as left operand of assignment, and there is the integral constant, so you can't change the value of the constant. So it is easily defined. If the 1 is coming, that is a working, and 0, that means not working. If I have, now I'm changing the, by creating a new week are defined, they are well defined. So what is the way to define? Like you see the I giving the on values instead of compiler value. Now I am starting my week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is the way I am defining. If I am just giving 4, like Tuesday, I am telling Tuesday is my better day. So instead of Tuesday, I am saying 4 is my 2 is my better day. Because why 2? See, it's giving Sunday as a 0. If you have an issue, so you can print Sunday also. Then you clear your mind. Your mind might be more clear related about C. The value of Sunday is 0, like our indexes. Okay, so it's print 0. So interesting fact about the initialization of enum, you can define own values as well as compiler value. Like if I am writing as a Sunday as act as a 1, okay, and then I am putting something. See this 1. If I am printing Saturday, then which value is coming? You should tally 4, 7. I am not defining the Saturday value. I am just defining one value, starting value, that is Sunday value, and after that compiler just increment the value, and if the Monday value is 2, Tuesday value is 3, this is a labeled way for labeling something. Like I am labeling Sunday as a 1. Now if I am just writing this, I hope you understand what I am doing, because you already know the for loop syntax. I am just using that syntax. See, 1 for Sunday, because our loop is started from Sunday. So 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, 3 for Tuesday, 4 for Wednesday, 5 for Thursday, 6 for Friday, and 7 for Saturday. This is the way to create the enum and use this. We can't explicitly giving the value. We can't. Like if I am giving the value of like I change the value of Tuesday, so it's giving an error. I already show you, I think, but for sake of reason, see, because I already told you it's a constant, I'm not create any variable also. According to me, not suitable. See this, not good for the programming point of view, because after that if you use Tuesday, then compiler will be confused on which day you used. Let's see what's happening if I'm used Tuesday. So which value is printed? local. Obviously local scope is higher than the other scopes. See, 10 is printed because I already told you it's a local. If I am also creating this as a global variable, then which is the higher position thick? This is there. Tuesday we declare as different kind of symbol. The definition of Tuesday was here. So we already defined Tuesday, so we can't define Tuesday as a same variable in the same block or same code. So that's why I'm showing the errors, because it helps to clear our mindset. Or if you want, like Wednesday should be written as a 5 instead of 4, it should be written as a 5. 1 2 3 4 instead of 4, it should be a 5. Value of Wednesday should be a 5. So it's a 5. Don't worry, it's a 5. And after that value is again changing according to the person perspectives. See what's happening. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm defining 4. I'm defining 5. Let's see. Saturday is printing 8, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, but okay, I got it. What is the? I got it. It's printing the loop, so it's basically print the values. So if I am writing printf %d /d %d, I am just printing 3 values: Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I am using VS Code, Visual Studio Code. This is one of the good compiler, but I am using the Linux OS, so it's giving the terminal in the below for running our codes, and some extensions I am including for our video. It's the compiler of C program that's help to compile the programs. If you using the Java code, then another extension must include it in your VS Code, and then you can run it. So see this. What is the value of Tuesday? Value of Tuesday is 3, but the value of Wednesday is 5, because I am explicitly assigned the value. And after that, Thursday is assigned as a 6, because the compiler auto increment the values of the another various things. The value of assigned to enum name must be some integer constant. It should be an integer constant. The value must, the range of the integer is defined, so the enum range is only the available in the integer constant, integer range. If you increase the, or if you assign the more than the integer constant value, it minus 2147483 214483647. This is the range of integer. So if you assign the value between them, so enum work fine, otherwise not. And if you create two enums with, like, if I am creating one more enum, weeks, instead of I am creating one more enum in which having defining working days. So what working day is Monday, like my working day is Monday. Basically this giving the error. I told you after the error. See, because in another enum I am again redeclaring the Monday's definition. If the definition is same, then also giving the error. If the definition is same, like I am giving Tuesday, चलो संडे कर लेते हैं, again redeclaring, but it's giving the error because see, Sunday's value is not changed, is changed basically. See, Sunday's value is not changed in working days also. There is the basic, but the error is redeclaring the enumerator Sunday, redeclare the enumerator Monday, because the states days, weekdays is already defined in the week enum. So this is all the set of constant, integral constant. There are weeks and the integral constant, so we can't again redeclare the values. You can use enumeration as a variable. Enum enum week day equal to 4. 4 is not defined, that's a 3. But for this is an error. I'm defining 3, but I need some. Okay. This what kind of thing? If day equal to Tuesday, but if I'm printing day as an if I'm printing day, then it's printing 3, but I'm not printing 3, I'm just printing Tuesday. I need to print Tuesday instead of 3. So if the enum, see, double equal to is a comparison operator and it's between pointer and the integer, so it shows that's why error, but it's okay, it shows the warning, not error. See, Tuesday, not Enum. If I am declaring one more function, it will return the instead of that, because this is a pointer, so I can't find day. Function is called and days. It's not a void. It says if the value is void, then what's not this way. If I'm right this way, then it's not shows the error, because both are same thing. Sorry, I'm little bit confused. Not use this. See, Tuesday equal to 3, Wednesday is equal to 5, and Thursday is equal to 6. So our Tuesday value is 3 and day value is 3, so that's why it's printing Tuesday. That's why it's printing enums. And this is the way. If now the user is constraint, user is restricted. I'm commenting everything because I'm just trying to show if the enum value is not defined like this. Now user is restricted. There is a warning. In there, in one way, if switch day, now we not need to write something. Case Monday, case Tuesday, case Wednesday, VS Code is by default creating, that's why it's creating. Just time format documents, so it's able to more readable. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the value from the user between 1 to 7, and that value is printed according to my constant variable. Enum.c 34 line C. Enum.c enter value 5. Sorry, I'm defining only 3 cases, that's why I'm more restricted to showing the output is 3. So 2 is, if I'm entering 2, then it's print Monday basically, because 2 is Monday, 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, so that's why it's printing Monday, and it's more readable कि what is the case Monday, अगर Monday का केस आया, Tuesday का केस, Wednesday केस, so it's more readable, it's increased the readability of the usage, readability of the program. Now in previous, if you know the switch case video, if you remember the switch case video, I'm defining one as a Sunday, 2 as a, so it's not convenience to read, so it's able to convenience more readable, more good. Now you able to see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but compiler changed Monday to 2, Tuesday to, it's constant variable, so I can't redeclare, but I use that, the values. I'll show you one more thing. If it's happening, it's good for us, if not, then it's again good for us. What will be the output? कमेंट में बताइए कि इसका आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए था. See what I am doing. Monday is value 2 and Wednesday value is 3. Oh, sorry, 4. Wednesday value is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6 because our integral constant is there. So compiler changes the value of Monday act as a 2, Wednesday act as a 4, and then sum those values and create new value is 6. So it easily understandable and easily readable. These things you can use some operations with the constants and save them into somewhere. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want this code or want videos code, I'm creating at the time of creating a video or shooting a video, so those codes is available in GitHub. The link on the playlist description, so you can check that and you can take the code and run in on your machine and understand all these things, because the code, if the code is similar once, then you are easily to understand what's going on. After that you can create your own and perform some more tasks with that. So this is all about the enumerations, and sorry for forgot this enum topic because it is not more used in our industry. because lots of things is doing. So it's not discarded our industry, but it's less usage, less use in our industry, but it is more powerful, increase the readability of the code, and more suitable for increase the readability of the user point of view or another expect point of view. So thank you for watching videos, and don't forget about like, subscribe and share my videos.